Good morning, sir. You Joshua Barlow. And this is a motion to revoke probation. It looks like Mr. Barlow is on probation for possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1. Now, what is the announcement?
Judge, Mr. Barlow did retain me to represent him over in Harris County in regards to the new law violation, and actually also partially the technicals. As part of that was about living or being in Harris County during that time of offense. We were in court Thursday. There is a 911 recording that we will have probably either today or tomorrow that is going to say a lot before it's about whether they're going to proceed with the case over there. And also, honestly, if they're going to file new charges against the complainant. As well as I think that will also give us a lot of insight into the technical violation of his residence at the time because of the information that would have been given to transcript over the video. So I'm just asking for a short time so we can listen to that.
And as far as everything going okay right now on probation? Okay. All right. So we'll just do a normal reset so you can get all that information, get it to Ms. Malfino, and then we'll see where we are on that next court date.
Judge, in light of the violation alleged in count 6, which is the positive UA on March 4th of 25 and April 8th of 25 for marijuana, he does not currently have a drug patch. I'm assuming from Officer Kitchens that he has no UA violations during the pendency.
I gave him a drug test 310 this month, anticipating this court appearance, and he tested negative.
Okay. Obviously, if there's any issues, just let me know, or we can get that drug patch ordered real quickly if we need to. All right.
Judge, also, Mr. Barlow did let me know that he does have he sent me with confirmation. He has a job interview tomorrow at 10:30.
Okay.
So we just wanted to make sure you all have that because he is, of course, on restrictions with the GPS monitoring.
Okay, just send that over in a memo if you would, so that I know, make sure you talk to probation so they know where you're going as well. Okay? All right, thank you. Corey Richardson, Mr. Crenshaw. All right, sir, you're Corey Richardson. And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Richardson, in cause number 25, DCCR 0249, the state has elected to proceed on the lesser included offense of a Class A misdemeanor attempted solicitation of prostitution from November 21st of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And because you've done what they charged you with? Speak up.
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Crenshaw?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Then it looks like the agreement is for a 2-year deferred probation. Is there a fine?
I believe there is a $500 fine.
I mean, it's up to the court, but I would think there would need to be a fine. If y'all want to agree to something, that's fine. If not, I would impose $500 for sure.
$500's fine, Judge.
So there would be a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding of your agreement?
Yes.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
State tenders number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Richardson is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily to the lesser offense of Class A misdemeanor attempted solicitation of prostitution. Find that you entered that plea freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement and defer all proceedings for a period of 2 years. You're ordered to pay the $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do all of that, this is an excellent opportunity because you don't have the conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation, if you're successful, the case will be dismissed. You'll never have the conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, and be sent to the Jefferson County Jail for 1 year. Do you understand?
Listen,
I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork. She's at that desk right over there, so watch for her to put it in. Okay? Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Last one.
I think that's every active case I have on here now.
Well, you need to get some more.
Yeah. To go back to work. Thank you all. Have a great day. It's stayed forward at 8:15 this morning. She's giving me an announcement. She can't get it, but you'll have it. Okay.
Mr. Lewis on Janisha Jackson.